Give your creativity free rein with the VND filter for your Mavic Air 2. Without wasting time swapping out filters, you can accurately control light in 4 stops. All of this with just a single VND filter. Use the VND 6 to 9 stops to control the shutter speed. Use it to create long exposure, time-lapse videos, and long exposure photos. Use the VND 2 to 5 stops during sunrise or sunset to get a slower shutter speed. You'll be amazed at how good it works. Shooting smooth, clean videos have never been so easy as with the VND filter. Twist to control the shutter speed to reduce bright light and create a smooth motion blur effect. The VND filter is easy to set up, and because it's lightweight, it won't affect your drone's balance or performance. Capture perfection in any situation with your own PGYTECH VND filter.